200 years ago, the bottom floor of this old stone house was the homestead for the Ritchie family, just arrived from Scotland. Today, it is a research laboratory in the quest to eliminate carbon emissions by using no natural gas and only off-peak electricity. If you can make this house carbon neutral, says its owner, Michael Glover, you can do it with any house, and there are millions that need doing. That's why the project has attracted some serious educational partners. The Algonquin College Heritage Trades and Applied Research Programs, and Queen's University's Mechanical Engineering Department. Michael Glover is an architect by training and a proven inventor. He was head of the National Research Council's passive solar program until that was disbanded in the 1980s. In the 90s, he helped lead industry efforts to commercialize first-generation super windows, and 30 years later, those windows remain a mainstream technology. Michael has sponsored several workshops at his Ecote Education Center, where experts debated ways to meet the challenges of the old house. After giving up on the idea of vacuum panels for the interior walls, the solution is now thought to be a seamless R40 foam envelope for the exterior, coupled with a heat pump and an intelligent ventilation and window control system. Already, Michael has filed 7 new patents arising from this project.
This is where the Ritchies lived in
the 1820s. This is their original homestead, yeah. And they cook on the open fire here, but the wood stove's being put in. But that was where they would do all their cooking, and they just lived in this room.
When will it all be finished?
Hopefully this will take a year or two.
The fates laugh at our best laid schemes. 8 years have passed since Michael spoke those words. He has had to change his plans more than once as technology and materials advance and unexpected hurdles appear, such as the rot that turned up here where nobody expected it.
Quite turned to soil like the stuff between the windows.
To seal the house in its ultra-warm blanket meant removing everything that projected from the walls, starting with the eaves. It meant moving a window away from the old wall to make way for the thickness of the new wall. Because conventional masonry would conduct heat right through the insulating envelope, the chimneys needed this thermal break, made of a vermiculate concrete mix that would block that heat flow. The splendid veranda also had to go, so they could install a ground roof, a layer of insulation just below grade level that slows the loss of heat through that 200-year-old masonry foundation. A rigid framework takes shape. It's the first time this particular product has been used in a residential application, and it's one of several products from innovative building partners who have joined this venture. Metal shingles complete the roof, and along with the new high-R windows, they will seal the house against the coming winter as work continues on the mechanical systems. Foam insulation is not new, but this particular formula is designed to produce no harmful emissions. But will it be enough? Can this old house, founded directly on bedrock, truly run on zero emissions? The answers will be found on this website in months to come. If the efforts of Michael and his team do succeed, it will be an important step forward for energy retrofits on heritage buildings, and even more for new construction projects, where these methods can be applied from the start at far less expense. And that is the quest.